Oh, the wind blew that.
Yep.
Again.
Again.
Holy moly, look it, guys. See? Last time it laid over, it was raining. This time it was just the hellacious winds we've been having. Yeah, we had it braced, everything. It still moved from the last ugly wind. But, you know, when the wind's blowing at 70 miles an hour, that's pretty bad. I don't know how we're ever going to fix that one, that large a hole. I've been working.
Yeah, I'm going to have to hook all up to it over there and drag it back.
Yeah, drag it back out again.
Yeah, you can see how far it moved.
Well, that's a humongous hole it made. Moved it.
It used to be right out to here.
Yeah.
See the line? That's how far over it moved.
Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that line, guys.
So